Hello everyone. We are going to discuss how to rationalize denominator. For that, we are using the standard formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square.
I have taken one example, that is 1 upon under root of 4 plus under root of 3, and we have to rationalize this term. By using this formula, if we have term a plus b, then we have to multiply by term a minus b. Then we get a square minus b square. What will happen by after squaring? We can add this 4 and 3 easily if it is outside the under root. So to rationalize this term, we use this formula and we apply here is equals to 1 upon, here we write first term as it is, our given question is as it is, that is 1 upon 4 under root of 3. Now we have to multiply the term, that is a minus b. Here our a is first term, that is first term under root of 4 is our a, and second term is under root of 3, that is b. Here given term is a plus b and we want a minus b. So we multiply by under root of 4 minus under root of 3, that is a minus b, and if we multiply, then same term we have to divide because our question remains same if we multiply and divide it by same term. So here we multiply and divide it by a minus b. Now we know that if we are multiplication form, that is a by b into c by d, then we have to write a into c, that is direct product of numerator term and direct product of denominator term. By using this rule, we can multiply the numerator term, that is in first term numerator is 1, in second term numerator is under root of 4 minus under root of 3. So here we get 1 into this term, that is 1 into any term is same term, that is under root of 4 minus under root of 3. Now divided by term, again product of division term. If we take product of division term, then we get here under root of 4 plus under root of 3 into under root of 4 minus under root of 3. And we know that it is, if I write here, it is under root of 4 plus under root of 3 into under root of 4 minus under root of 3. If we observe this term, here a is nothing but under root of 4 and b is under root of 3. Then it here we get here a plus b into a minus b form, and standard formula for this term is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here a is our under root of 4, so we get here first term numerator as it is, we write numerator as it is, and in denominator here an a square, a is under root of 4, so here we get under root of 4 square minus b square, b is under root of 3, so here under root of 3 square. Now we have to square this term, and we know that if we write a raised to the power m, raised to the power n is nothing but a raised to the power m into n. By this formula, here under root of 4 bracket square is equals to, under root is nothing but half power, so here 4 raised to the power half, under root is nothing but 4 raised to the power 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 2. And by this rule, power will be directly multiplied, so half into 2, it become 2 to get cancelled and we get here 4. So we can say under root of 4 square is nothing but 4. If we use this formula here, then we get here numerator, again I write as it is, divided by under root of 4 square, that is 4 minus under root of 3 square. Again by using same rule, if we would find the under root of 3 square, we get 3. And subtract this term, and we know that here numerator I write again as it is, divided by 4 minus 3 is 1, and here 4 is positive, so we write here 1 is positive. Means the rationalization of this term answer will be under root of 4 minus under root of 3.